The much anticipated release of Lin Manuel Miranda's In the Heights is coming to HBO Max today. And even though HBO Max no longer has a free trial on their website, I'm going to show you two different ways you can still get one. Coming up on this streamable first look. What's up, streamers? It's Jason from The Streamable, and if you are a Hamilton fan, In the Heights is from you. Hamilton's Lin Manuel Miranda's original Broadway show is now coming to theaters, but you don't actually have to go to theaters to watch it. Instead, you can stream it on HBO Max. But HBO Max no longer offers a free trial on their website, but I'm going to show you two ways that you can still get one. But before we get going, make sure you hit that like button. The more people who like this, the more people will see it, and the more great content I can keep bringing to you. And make sure you hit subscribe, because one of our first 10,000 subscribers will have a chance to win a brand new Roku Ultra, and that could be you. Ahead of Wonder Woman 1984, HBO Max dropped their free trial on their website, but I'm going to show you a few simple ways that you can still get a free trial of HBO Max so you can stream In the Heights today. But if you stick around to the end, I'm going to tell you a couple reasons why you might want to stick around for a full HBO Max subscription. But first, here's the first way that you can get a free trial of HBO Max through Hulu. One of the best ways to get an HBO Max free trial is through Hulu. First, you go sign up for a 30-day free trial of Hulu. And then once you're on your free trial of Hulu, you'll have access to a 7-day free trial of HBO Max. Because In the Heights is only available to those in the HBO Max app, you'll go over to your favorite app store and download HBO Max. Once you've downloaded the HBO Max app, then you'll choose TV provider, and in this case, select Hulu. You'll log in with your Hulu credentials, and then you'll have access to the entire HBO Max library, including In the Heights. But what happens if you've already taken advantage of a free trial of HBO Max through Hulu? Well, there's another way to do it. Head over to Prime Video channels, where you can also get a 7-day free trial of HBO Max. Once you sign up for your free trial of HBO Max on Prime Video, you'll do the exact same thing as Hulu. Go download the HBO Max app. In this case, your TV provider is Prime Video channels. Log in with your Amazon credentials, and then you'll have access to the HBO Max app. But for a lot of people, 7 days of HBO Max isn't enough, and you might want to stick around for the whole subscription. Well, HBO Max introduced brand new annual plans where you can get 12 months of HBO Max and save 16%. You can get HBO Max, which includes all new Warner Brothers releases, including Space Jam and Dune. You can get that for $149.99 for the entire year, which is just $12.49 a month, which is a $2.50 savings per month. On top of that, you'll get access to all of their Max originals, and you'll get the full library of shows like Friends, The Big Bang Theory, and South Park. Well, that's it. That's two ways that you can get a free trial of HBO Max, even though they don't have one on their website. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. The more people who like this, the more people will see it, and the more great content I can keep bringing to you. And make sure you hit subscribe, because we're bringing you the best in streaming tips all year long, and you're not going to want to miss it. If you want the latest in streaming news and reviews, visit us at thestreamable.com. And for The Streamable, I'm Jason. Have a great week.